Right then, let's talk about the grilled cheese, or toasty, as we like to call it on this side of the pond. This humble creation has been a staple in many households for generations, and for good reason. A culinary masterpiece that requires minimal effort yet delivers maximum flavor. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create something truly magical. It's the perfect comfort food, a quick lunch, or a midnight snack for those late-night cravings. Whether you're a student pulling an all-nighter or a busy professional needing a quick bite, the toasty has got you covered. We're going for pure satisfaction with this recipe, people. No messing about. The key is in the details, from the type of bread to the choice of cheese. This isn't just slapping some cheese between two slices of bread and hoping for the best. Oh no, it's about selecting the finest ingredients to elevate this simple dish to new heights. Oh no, this is about crafting the perfect toasty, a symphony of textures and tastes that will have you singing its praises. The crunch of the bread, the gooiness of the cheese, and the burst of flavor from any additional ingredients you choose to add. So grab your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, or a tea cozy if you're feeling fancy, and let's get down to business. Whether you prefer a classic cheddar or something more adventurous like brie and apple, the possibilities are endless. Let's make the humble toasty a gourmet experience. First things first, the bread. We're using sourdough here, nice and tangy. Now generously butter those slices, and I mean generously. This is no time to be stingy. Remember, the butter isn't just for flavor, it's the secret to that beautiful golden brown crust and ensures our cheesy filling doesn't make a sticky escape from the bread's embrace. Make sure to butter the outer sides of the bread, the sides that will meet the pan, you got it? Now for the fun part, the layering. On one slice of bread, lay down a slice of cheddar. Sharp, tangy, it's a classic for a reason. Next, a slice of mozzarella. This will add that delightful gooey stretch that makes a toasty irresistible. Now for a bit of sweetness and texture, a spoonful of caramelized onions. You can thank me later. Feeling adventurous? Add a few slices of ham or turkey. A handful of baby spinach or arugula for a bit of freshness. Don't mind if I do. Section 4. The gentle sizzle pan preparation. While you've been channeling your inner toasty artist, the pan should be heating up on the stove. Medium-low heat is what we're after. Remember, low and slow is the key to grilled cheese perfection. A hot pan will result in a burnt exterior and a cold, unmelted interior. Nobody wants that. Patience, my friend. This is a labor of love, not a race against the clock. Section 5. The art of the flip. Patience, my friend. Making the perfect grilled cheese sandwich is an art form that requires not just skill, but also a great deal of patience. Carefully place your masterpiece in the waiting pan. Now listen closely. This is where the magic begins. This is the most crucial part. Leave it alone. Yes, you heard that right. Do not touch it. Resist the urge to poke, prod, or press it down. Let it be. This is a test of your patience and trust in the process. Give it a good 3 to 4 minutes to work its magic. During this time, the heat will work its way through the bread and cheese. The cheese will melt, the bread will turn a gorgeous golden brown, and your kitchen will be filled with the most tempting aroma. This is the reward for your patience. Now, and only now, with a flick of the wrist and a spatula in hand, gently flip the toasty. Timing is everything here. This takes finesse, my friend. A gentle, confident motion will ensure a perfect flip. We don't want any breakages at this critical juncture. A perfect flip means a perfect sandwich, ready to be enjoyed. Section 6. Serving with a flourish and a side of satisfaction. Once both sides are golden brown and the cheese is molten lava, carefully lift your creation from the pan. The key here is patience. Let the cheese reach that perfect gooey consistency without burning the bread. Use a spatula to gently lift the sandwich, ensuring you don't lose any of that precious filling. Now for a touch of indulgence, a smidgen of Dijon mustard on one side, a dollop of mayonnaise on the other. These condiments add a delightful tang and creaminess that elevate the sandwich to a gourmet level. Feel free to experiment with other spreads like pesto or even a hint of hot sauce for a spicy kick. But that's entirely up to you, old sport. Customization is the name of the game. Add some fresh arugula for a peppery bite or perhaps a slice of tomato for a juicy contrast. The possibilities are endless, and each variation brings its own unique twist. Finally, slice that beauty diagonally, because presentation matters, and serve it immediately. A diagonal cut not only makes it easier to handle, but also gives it that classic appetizing look. Pair it with a side of pickles or a small salad to complete the meal, and there you have it, the ultimate grilled cheese sandwich. It's a simple dish, yet when done right, it becomes a culinary masterpiece. The crispy exterior, the gooey interior, and the perfect balance of flavors make it a timeless favorite. It's crispy, it's gooey, it's packed with flavor, and it's guaranteed to put a smile on your face. Each bite is a comforting embrace, a reminder of the joys of simple, well-made food. Go on, take a bite, and savor the moment. You deserve it. Enjoy the symphony of textures and flavors, and let it transport you to a place of pure satisfaction. This is more than just a sandwich, it's an experience. Section 7. A final toast to your culinary triumph. As you take that first glorious bite, let the flavors dance on your palate and appreciate the journey we've taken together. From the humble beginnings of buttering the bread to the meticulous layering of ingredients, you've crafted more than just a sandwich. You've created a memory, a testament to the joy of cooking. Thank you for watching the video and supporting the channel. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make the ultimate grilled sandwich. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Bistegs TV for more delicious recipes. Your support fuels our passion, and together we can continue exploring the endless possibilities of culinary creativity. Until next time, happy cooking, and may every bite bring you joy. Cheers, thank you for watching, have a wonderful day, and remember, every meal is a chance to create something amazing. Stay positive and keep cooking.